Pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. Today I'm taking you on a magical journey through the Baltics, where fairy tale castles, ancient legends, and cobblestone streets are just waiting to be explored. We're skipping the usual touristy spots and heading right into the heart of Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. So let's dive in. First stop, Tallinn, Estonia. Picture this. You're strolling through narrow medieval streets with bright red rooftops above and the scent of fresh bread in the air. At the center stands Tallinn's grand castle, Toompea Castle. It's stood here for centuries, watching over the city and keeping its secrets. Legend says knights once gathered here to plan their quests and defend their people. The walls are thick, the towers are tall, and every stone has a story. But Tallinn isn't just about history, it's alive with music and laughter. On a summer evening, you might catch folk musicians playing in the square or kids dancing in traditional clothes. And if you listen closely, you'll hear tales of clever kings and brave queens passed down through the ages. Next, we travel south to Riga, Latvia. Riga's castle sits proudly by the river, its white walls gleaming in the sunlight. This castle has seen it all: royal feasts, daring battles, and secret meetings. Some say it's even haunted by the spirit of an old knight still searching for his lost sword. Today it's the home of Latvia's president, but you can still walk around the gardens and imagine what life was like long ago. Riga isn't just about castles, though. The city buzzes with energy. Street performers, cozy cafes, and markets full of delicious treats. Try the black bread or sweet honey cakes, and don't forget to listen to the local storytellers. They love to share old folk tales about magical creatures and hidden treasures. Last but not least, we reach Vilnius, Lithuania. The streets here twist and turn like a maze, leading you to the impressive Gediminas castle tower. From the top, the view is breathtaking: red rooftops, green parks, and the winding river below. Legend tells of Grand Duke Gediminas, who dreamed of a great city on this very spot. His dream came true, and today Vilnius is filled with art, music, and friendly faces. But what really makes the Baltics special isn't just the castles or the legends, it's the people. Everywhere you go, you'll find warm smiles and open arms. The locals are proud of their history and love sharing their stories with travelers like you. So why not take a chance and explore these magical lands? Whether you're wandering through ancient castles, joining a lively festival, or simply listening to a story by the fire, the Baltics promise memories you'll treasure forever. And remember, when you visit, trust your local guides. They know all the hidden spots and the best legends, and they'll make sure your journey is safe, fun, and truly unforgettable. So, are you ready for your next family adventure? The Baltics are calling, let the magic begin.